Ever wondered how YouTubers come up with killer video ideas, eye-catching thumbnails, and perfectly edited videos, all while keeping their sanity? Well, you're about to find out how AI can do most of the heavy lifting for you, saving time, boosting creativity, and helping you grow your channel faster. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI tools to generate ideas, create awesome thumbnails, and edit your videos like a pro. Whether you're new to YouTube or trying to level up your content, stick around because these tips could be a game changer for your channel. Step 1. Generate video ideas with AI. So, let's start with the first big challenge for creators, coming up with great video ideas. Instead of staring at a blank page, use ChatGPT to help brainstorm. Simply ask it to list trending topics in your niche or come up with ideas based on your audience's interests. For example, if your channel is about marketing, ask ChatGPT for 10 video ideas related to Facebook advertising. It will generate a list for you in seconds, giving you the spark of inspiration you need. Think of it like having a brainstorming buddy who never gets tired or runs out of ideas. You don't have to go it alone. Here is a tip for you. After you get a list of ideas, you can also ask ChatGPT to narrow down or refine them, making sure they're super relevant to your audience. Step 2. Create a thumbnail that grabs attention. Once you've got your video idea, the next step is creating a killer thumbnail. We all know thumbnails are the first thing people see, and if they're not clicking, your video isn't getting views. The good news? You don't need to master Photoshop or pay a designer hundreds of dollars. There's an AI tool called Pixels AI that can create amazing thumbnails in seconds. Just describe the elements you want in your thumbnail, like day 1 versus day 30 or before and after, and it will generate different versions for you to choose from. Here's another tip for you. A thumbnail can make or break your video, don't leave it to chance. Here's another pro tip. Keep your thumbnail simple. Only include 2 to 3 main elements. Too much clutter can confuse viewers and lower your click rate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads. Step 3. Edit videos like a pro with AI. Now, let's talk about editing. Video editing can be time-consuming and frustrating, but with Descript, an AI-powered editing tool, it gets much easier. Descript transcribes your video, so you can edit your footage just by editing the text. For example, if you said something you didn't want, like or you can delete those words from the transcript, and it will automatically cut them from the video. Imagine being able to fix all your mistakes in a video just by editing text. No more scrubbing through hours of footage. Behind-the-scenes insight. I use Descript for my own videos, and it's a total game changer. It even has features like voice cloning, which allows you to generate voiceovers in your own voice. If you found these AI tips helpful, make sure to check out my next video, where I'll show you how to optimize your YouTube titles using AI to boost your click-through rate. Don't leave yet. Click over to my next video now to keep learning how AI can take your content creation to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI tools for YouTube growth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads.